What's going on, y'all? It's your guy, Paris. Today I'm here with some good news. Man, Supacolor got Supagang sheets. 16 by 5 by 11.7. You can get as much on there as you want. And as you see, I got my new logo. I'm starting a new company for amputees. Where's my limb clothing company and accessories? So I decided to press up the logo. With these, I'm going to get in here. I'm going to show you how to press them. Give you a couple tips on how to cut them up if you want. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
So I'm gonna just cut one up. And as you can see, I got one big one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little ones. I'm gonna either use on the yoke, the sleeve, or the bottom of the waist. I'm not sure yet. And then I got 2 for the left chest. So the minimum is 10. So basically I got 6 of these little ones, 10 of these, and 20 of these. But remember, when you order from Supacolor, they always throw extras in your pack, so it's well worth your money. So I'm gonna cut out one of these big ones right now. So one thing you could do if you want is go through and cut out each one individually if you got a place to store them. And then you ain't got to do this with each one. Boom, so I got my one big one. I'm gonna just set that right there for a second. Or actually, I'm not. I'm gonna put it over here because I gotta pre-press that shirt first. Then, so I still got that. I'll just put that back in my bag. Then I got my little ones. One of these I'm gonna use on this shirt. So I don't know how many of y'all knew that I was a recent amputee. I haven't posted a lot of videos, but I just got my leg last week, so haven't done, I only pressed a couple shirts since, but this will be the first ones on camera, so we're gonna see how this work out with this prosthetic. So, you know, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna fold it in half. Find my center line. Boom. So this is my pre-press, so I get to, I'm gonna find the center line, so to make it a little easier to line up. It was loose. I was pressing hoodies the last thing I pressed. And again, this is an all-style t-shirt. I just buy these down the street, up the street, however you want to put it. Grab my transfer. So this is a hard process for me as far as learning with the walker and the prosthetic. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that about 3 fingers down. Get it right. Just to put a little crease in here so I can go along that line. Then again, 3 fingers. Boom. So my pressure is heavy. Peel fast and low. While it's hot, straight like that. Hit it a few more seconds. You don't need a cover sheet with Supacolor. Not even gonna just did about 5 seconds. And there it is. Boom. Alright, so I forgot to add that, so I'm gonna just add it. And I decided with the little one, I'm gonna just turn my shirt inside out. Sorry, I had to sit down though. My body's still getting used to wearing the prosthetic and moving and walking, and it's kind of rough on me tonight. I've been standing up, walking around all day, so after sitting in my chair for 6 months and not moving, that shit plateau on you. So I have a smaller one somewhere. I'm not gonna look for it for the sake of this video. Alright, so again, I'm gonna just put this little one, and with all style, I'm not gonna tear it out yet, but you can tear it out. So they got the 2 tags in the all style. There's one with their name, which you can just rip out. This one is the one you have to legally put in with the instructions, the made, where it was made and all that, and the sizes on that one. So when I get ready, actually I will, just to show you. So I don't need to put no size because it's already there. So I'm gonna just pull out this tearaway and see, it's just a tearaway all style. So now I still got my size and where it was made, so just so people will know that this is a Where's My Limb Clothing Company shirt. We're just gonna add this in real quick. I was debating on where to put it prior to doing it, but I think this is a good spot right here, right in the neck. Try to press that down. Still, shit. I know what to do. So it's being frisky. So I'm gonna just tuck it under there, under my pad, right? Just to get it out of my way for now. Then we're gonna place that. too much. So when you're doing them gang sheets, it's a good way to do it right here. Boom, straight like that. So there you go. There you go. And then I still got that tag. I don't know if you can see it, but that has the where it was made, the size and all that. And that's it. Man, seek Paris 12 Gun Apparel. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow Squad Creators Podcast. We do that every Saturday, every Tuesday. Me and my brother Mike Tees, man. The link is in the description for that channel. We be bringing on the biggest of guests. So, I'll see y'all next time.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.